The character class tests are also a part of the standard library, and they are defined in ctype, ctype.h. You do a pound include of ctype.h, and you'll get all of these functions. Let's go down the list here. Is alphanumeric of a character, and you pass all these the character, and you will get back a true or false, which is a non-zero or zero value, will be the return from these. So you can use them in all your if tests and fors or loops or whatever you want. Is alnum.c or sub c is basically a combination of is it alphanumeric, the character, or is it a digit. If either one of these is true, that's our little or, remember, 2 pipelines. If either one of these is true, then is alnum is true. Is alpha is a combination of is upper and is lower. So if it's an uppercase character, which will be from A to Z, or lowercase a to Z, if either one of those is true, it will be an alpha, for alphabetic. Is control, is it a control character? And that's the text here. Is it a digit, 0 to 9? Is it graphic? Can it be printed? It basically is the is graphic, and that will catch everything except for a space character. Space character will return false to is graphic. Is lower, is it lowercase? We saw that up here in is alpha. Is it printable? That's a printable including space, just like is graphic. That's a good one if you're going to print things that you're not quite sure. You're reading them in off a file. Otherwise, you can wind up with some strange output. So test a character to see if it's printable before you send it out to the screen. Is it punctuation? Is it white space? That's like tabs and carriage returns and new lines and things like that. Is it uppercase? And is it a hexadecimal digit? Is X digit will return true if the value is from 0 to 9 or A to F, either lower or uppercase. That's a hexadecimal digit. So that's what is defined by the character class tests, which are in ctype.h. Very useful little fellows, especially when you're reading stuff in off the keyboard or taking it in, say, from a website. You want to check and make sure what they have sent to you and that they're not sending you control characters or some kind of garbage. That's character class tests.